Shandong Hongfeng Electric Group Company Limited, established in 2016, is a professional manufacturer specializing in the research and development, production, sales, and installation of cable trays. It adopts International Advanced Cable Trays technological process. The company's main products are cable ladder, perforated cable tray, spraying cable tray, cable trunking, wire mesh cable tray. The products have the characteristics of complete specifications, advanced structure, competitive price, beautiful appearance, strong corrosion resistance, flexible and convenient installation. Our staffs are very professional. They will provide you with a great shopping experience. Dedicated to strict quality control and thoughtful customer service, our experienced staff members are always available to discuss your requirements and ensure full customer satisfaction. In addition, we selling well in all cities and provinces around China. We have established good relationship with clients in such countries and regions as America, Europe, Asia, South America, North America, Oceania, and so on. We also welcome orders for customized products from customers. Whether selecting a current product from our catalog or seeking engineering assistance for your application, you can talk to our customer service center about your sourcing requirements. Adhering to the business principle of mutual benefits, we have had a reliable reputation among our customers because of our professional services, quality products, and competitive prices. We warmly welcome customers from at home and abroad to cooperate with us for common success.